Hi there, meet the Kuhn-Rikon Duromatic Pressure Cooker, designed for families of 4 with space-saving side handles. This cooker reduces cooking time by up to 70%, making meals faster and easier to prepare. It preserves essential vitamins and minerals, so your food stays healthy and nutritious. The energy-efficient design saves up to 70% in energy compared to traditional cooking methods. Built with eco-friendly materials, it helps reduce your carbon footprint while cooking. Combining speed and sustainability, this pressure cooker changes the way you cook every day. Enjoy delicious meals that are better for you and the planet. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.